Some thoughts about the conference so far?
I'm quite impressed, I must say. I was impressed when I came yesterday and there was no parking space, to be honest. And I told Tony Ellinas about this. The conference is amazing, the participation is amazing. I think it was worth every minute of it. I found it very interesting, and I feel that, and I will say that in my speech, I have to congratulate both you and the participants here because they're doing a fantastic job. This is the field which should lead the way in the following months or years for Cyprus. The well-known problems are here for the Cyprus economy. We need a way out, we need development, we need Cyprus to expand on other fields, and the field of services is unique in Cyprus, and it can be sold efficiently abroad and to a large extent. I believe that the GDP should depend, the growth will depend on this sector going forward, and this is very important, and the conference adds to it hugely.
I think through the threats and the difficulties, there's opportunity.
There's definitely opportunity, and this is a time to pursue it. I think that, as I said before, there are huge problems facing the economy at the moment. The economy will go under a probable restructuring in the following years. We will maybe have recession. It's important to find drivers going forward to lead the way out of the recession, to lead development of the economy, to bring capital, foreign investment in Cyprus, and this conference is effectively in the core of this undertaking.
I'm not going to tempt you anymore because you're going to give away your presentation, so I think we'll leave it there, and we look forward to your presentation in about an hour or two. And I think after that we have the governor as well presenting, so that should be an interesting exchange during that discussion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Presentation is coming up in a few minutes. You've been here following the first couple of speeches and presentations there. What's been your feeling so far?
Well, first of all, it's great to be here. I think this conference is a great opportunity to look forward. As you told me yourself, it's about looking to the future. There have been some excellent presentations. I think some optimistic notes amongst what is otherwise a pretty volatile period. So I'm looking forward to us actually executing on some of the things we talk about here.
Well, there's a lot of talk, and let's hope there's a lot of walk as well after all this. And I think the conference, as you said, is a great opportunity, and you see we had a great turnout here. I think people will be cheering you on once you're up there.
People will be, sorry?
Cheering you on once you get up there. There's a lot of enthusiasm, I think, in the room.
Well, I've got a difficult topic, the banking sector and what's changing here and globally. And of course, there's a lot of change, but sometimes amidst change, there's opportunity as well.
And the governor of the central bank's got a tough act to follow after your speech, I think.
I think he's got a tough act anyway, period.
Evan, thank you very much. See you later. That was an excellent presentation. I think it was very enlightening, and a lot of people were responsive to that. What are your experiences of the conference so far?
Well, I can only say that I definitely learned something more about the environment in Cyprus, and I like this idea to say that you are offering a good quality product here, not a cheap one, so that competition with other countries, which definitely is a fact and you have to face competition, I think you start on a very good level then. And to make sure that people understand that, I think therefore it's interesting to be here as a foreign guest as well.
Well, that's great. We've started that by putting on a good product in the conference here in itself. Yeah. So that's a start, and we hope we can inspire people to follow up on that in their own businesses and their own affairs. So thank you very much for your time and accepting our invitation. And we look forward to working with you again in future conferences. Thank you.
Will be all mine.
Thank you. Can you give us your comments on the conference so far? How are you finding it? Was it enjoyable? Was it interesting?
Priorities. It was extremely interesting. We heard new things, especially from the speakers that come from far away, and we were impressed by the feedback, I think, and the knowledge that was given to us, and perhaps we can use this knowledge and build up on it, new projects and new ideas for the Cyprus market. Following up last year's event, we see an improvement, even though last year was again an excellent conference. I think this year is really becoming international, and you should keep up with it.
And we look forward to your presentation in a few minutes.
Thank you.
A few comments about the conference. Just how you're finding it. Are you finding it interesting? Is it enjoyable for you so far?
This is an enjoyable conference. It's a very well organized conference. Congratulations to the organizers. And I think this should be repeated on an annual basis.
So we hope to see you next year.
Definitely.
Great, thank you. Mr. Chen, your presentation yesterday was really sought after. I mean, we had amazing comments. I'm sure that you've been chased around by many people in the last day. How has the conference been for you so far?
The conference is excellent. I find the people here very sophisticated and knowledgeable. The questions I'm getting in the comments, I think it's a great learning experience for me. And I find Cyprus to be wonderful. Other than the weather, which is to die for, I find the people very warm and hospitable. So
does that mean we should expect you next year?
I would love to come back, yes.
I'm sure you've made many contacts which will bring you back to Cyprus for work anyway.
Hopefully.
We look forward to having you, and thank you for accepting our invitation, and we look forward to working with you again. Thank you.
Likewise, thank you.
Like is sponsors of the conference, one of the sponsors of the conference. We're delighted to have you with us. And just a few comments, if you may, about the conference so far. What has been your experience as Laiki? What benefits have you found attending the conference?
Let me start by saying that we were one of the first ones, I think the first bank that decided to support this conference a long time ago, because we believe that conferences like this add to the sector, and our job is to promote Cyprus in this business for everyone's fake. The conference has been better than expected for us, I must admit. I must admit also that the level of the speakers is much better than last year, and I hope that you keep this trend growing for next year. You are creating a huge expectation on all of us for next year. I hope you can fulfill that.
We look forward to having your sponsorship again next year then.
Well, this is what we are here for. This is a cost-benefit analysis. Yep. I'm looking at the crowds yesterday and today, and I'm saying that the industry has supported this event with all its feet. There are people here that I haven't seen gathered in events of this nature for some time now, and all of them are here exchanging their views on what they heard. They are also discussing between them what the future of this industry is, which is why we should be here. And I've already talked to people discussing about what next year's theme should be. A lot of us are feeling that you should have a theme on funds for next year, because funds are becoming very important for all of us, and the fund industry needs to be developed in this place and to attract the European funds that are coming onshore after 2013. These are the things that people talk about here. I must also add that your Chinese part yesterday was very spot on. We have a representative office in China for the last year. We're the only bank in China with a rep office. And what they talked about, we saw as a vision 2 years ago.
Regarding the funds, you've seen on the program, we've introduced funds this year because it is an emerging theme, an emerging topic, and going on the response of that this year on the presentations, I think we can expand on that, and we're definitely looking for our sponsors and other people working with the conference to give us suggestions. So by all means, after the conference, let's talk.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I would just suggest that as this is an industry event, that should be appealing to the government as well.
The government was invited, but politely declined, I think. I think they're very busy doing other things. So we hope next year for them to be in a better place.
I think that technocrats should be here anyway, and especially the people with roles in our industry. We need a strategy for the industry, and somehow some people, I'm not talking about ministers, I'm talking about even lower levels, must be sensitized to what this crowd in this conference is saying.
We'll make a point of it next year. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anthony, we've had a day and a half, a day actually. You've followed both days so far. What's been your impression?
Well, my impression is very positive. The level of the speakers is very high indeed and very interesting, especially the Chinese speaker yesterday. The Chinese speakers were amazing. Our speakers as well. People are it's creating a lot of people. People are a little bit, I think, anxious, so they're following really closely because of the events that we are living in right now and the situation right now. But actually, it's done this conference has done a lot of good in sort of refocusing. We're focusing again on what matters, on what's substantial and what is not, and also on things we should be more careful about in the future, and probably after a few months when things will have settled. So it's been very, very helping, very. It's been a very positive 2 days so far, and I think it will continue until the end. Everybody has contributed. The panel has covered all subjects, trust, companies, all the important things. So yeah, it's very good. The only negative comment I have to make is the total absence of any Cypriot politicians, but this was expected. So yeah.
Well, that's nothing we can do about that. But we look forward to having you again next year.
You will. Thanks.
Great.